Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. As you can see, we got something pretty fun going on this week. We have this beautiful red BMW 7 Series. Now, if you're not sure what this is, I don't blame you because this is actually a pretty rare car to see, especially over here in America. These are primarily located over in Europe. Now, this looks relatively close to an ordinary BMW, except the big thing you'll notice is this front grille is a lot taller than usual. And this hood is actually very long. The whole car is very long. But the main difference between this car and then just regular like 3 Series and 4 Series is the back seats are absolutely huge on this car. And they have a lot of features inside as well. As you can see, you can move a whole lot of parts of the seat. Very comfortable. They recline, pillows from the factory as well. So this car would be really nice to be chauffeured around in. This is really one of those cars where you'd want to buy it and then have someone drive you around because the back seat's better than the front. Now for reference guys, I'm 6'3", and this is more legroom than I've had in pretty much any SUV I've ever been in. And the headroom is good too. I still got a couple inches between the roof and my head. And getting out of the car, I mean, this is extremely easy because the door is massive. And it's finished in this beautiful red. I believe this was the most rare color you could get on this car. So just an absolutely gorgeous car. Really happy to be working on it today. Now this client has actually been here about 6 months ago. We ceramic coated this whole car, but he started getting a problem of having a couple of little rock chips up on the hood. So we put some touch-up paint on. In order to prevent these rock chips in the future, we are going to be doing a full front PPF job on this. Now what that's going to include is going to be the full hood, full front bumper. It's going to be all of this black trim up front, the 2 headlights, the side fenders, and then the side mirrors as well. So the full front of the car, everywhere that might see rocks coming at it on the road, is going to be protected. Now we've already got the car washed, so we also polished all of these front areas that we're going to be putting PPF on because the ceramic coating is hydrophobic. PPF is installed with soapy water, so the ceramic coating will cause that water to beat up and roll off. That's not what we want. We don't have the soapy water under there while we're installing it, so the ceramic coating has been polished off and we are all ready to get started with the PPF. So we're going to be taking you guys through that, kind of showing you a little bit of how it's done, maybe give you a little bit of information along the way, and just take you along this project with us. So let's get started. Second day of this car being here and we just finished up. We are all done, so I'm going to take you through the final results and we'll see how it looks. Now this came out really well. Luckily the few rock chips that were already on the hood are relatively small and hard to see, so they're not super visible. But as you can see, the paint just looks phenomenal now. Now if you didn't already know, PPF actually hides light swirls and scratches. So I'm going to take you back to, let me take you to the roof here. As you can see, now we did ceramic coat this about 6 months ago, so the paint's still pretty much perfect. But you can see there's some light swirls in there somewhere. And there actually was a little bit more than that on the hood. But now that the PPF is on there, you can see there's no marks at all because it actually hides any light scratches and things like that. Oh, let's get focused in here, geez. Since we did ceramic coat this car before and we had to polish it off to put the PPF on, we did re-ceramic coat it after the PPF has been applied. So now the full car is back to being protected by a ceramic coating, but the front end has the PPF, so now rock chips are no more. And this is pretty much the best thing you could do for a daily driver. Now this is our most popular package for PPF, so if you thought about doing it before, this is probably what you're going to want to go with. Again, it's just a full front, and then typically people do this before they do ceramic coating, so you would do a full front and then ceramic coating over that and the rest of the car. So if that's something you're interested in, you're in the Sarasota area, just give us a call or text. We'd be happy to get you a quote and even run you through some different options for your car. But that's about all I got for you guys today. I'm going to roll some more clips of the finished result, show you guys how it looks, and then we'll see you guys in the next video.